to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Today we're going to show you what's involved in switching out or changing a dishwasher. This is an underbench style, as you can see, bench on the top, and it's built into a cupboard. This is a standard 60 centimetre cupboard hole, and getting these out is really simple. With a dishwasher, you've got electricity, obviously, and that 99% of the time is just a plug, so you can plug that in and out yourself. You've got water coming in and you've got water coming out. They'll often be very close to the sink because the water in and water out are down under here. So here we go, we're down under the cupboard. Here's your water in and out, and you see these guys here run up to the kitchen sink, and this one here is the one that runs to the dishwasher. So you see here we've got a tap, we can turn that and then screw that supply water to the dishwasher. Right beside it here is the power. We switch that off and turn it off. And up here on the drain, this flexible pipe coming up and over the wall, you see that screwed onto the wall with a clamp. So that's just one screw there to take that out, up and over the top, and clamps onto there. So that's all of the disconnections. And then when so far as being attached in here, see, once you get down to this level, you see there's screws holding in the front. And that is all that holds these guys in place. They're sitting just down, and then these screws hold it in. So we'll start pulling these bits and get this out. As you see, we've taken those two screws out the top, and now you see it's really quite wobbly. It's not actually sitting on its adjusted feet properly. This one, it was the screws were holding it in place, but this one will now just pull straight out. So what we do is disconnect all the bits in the cupboard, and then we'll be able to pull the whole assembly right out. So the thing you should start with, of course, is switching off and unplugging the power. Just poke it down through the bigger hole in the bottom there. And then over here, that tap, that's now off. When the tap, your plumbing, you can see runs along here. When the tap's on, it runs the same direction as the plumbing, like that. When it's off, it's running against. So whatever style of tap you've got, that's what you're looking for to show that it's blocked off here by running against that tap. The only other thing that may need a tool to get it off is this water fitting. Now again, because it's been under pressure and it hasn't been released, there'll be a little squirt or a little dribble of water. Just wipe it up when it comes out and don't panic about that. If it keeps on running, then you've got to check your tap, make sure you've got it turned off. If your tap here is, because it hasn't been used for years and years, is faulty and won't turn off, turn your water off to the property, and then it'll stop leaking that way. Okay, so doing this in the undo direction, which is anti-clockwise, just lock that on and start it off with a tool. These are slip joint pliers, and then this one's been done up really quite tight. I'll put a link to some tools in the description, but these guys, the slip joints, you can open them up a little bit further like that and turn it in the undo, which is the anti-clockwise direction, just until it comes loose, like that. There we go. You take it off by hand. As I said, there'll be a little bit of pressure there. That's it. That's off. I'm going to stick that end down the hole. There's tiles down under there. This end here, just have a sponge handy, and you can dry that up really quick. And that's it. The water connection is off. The power is off. The drain is disconnected. So now we can pull the dishwasher out. Prepare yourself for it being a little bit dirty under here. Some stuff would have accumulated over the years, but now, here we go. That dishwasher is out. You can see here your three connectors down there, and it's just a matter of poking them into that hole now. Get the drain pipe, but we'll poke these in and then pull it out, and she'll be out. Yes, that did it. It just pulled straight out. As a matter of fact, you see the supply water hose there. I actually screwed it off the back of the dishwasher and then gave me enough room to get in and pull it out. It was a little bit tighter, but apart from that, super easy. have a look at the links in the description for where to get some tools and different bits and pieces, even some dishwashers at a good price. And then have a look at the next video, have a look at the picture card that's coming up now for how to put your new dishwasher in.